Last week was one of the craziest weeks in finance we've seen since COVID, maybe even since the 2008 mortgage crisis. The S&P 500, what some call American savings account, fell 10%. Oil prices continue to soar, hitting some of their highest levels ever. And President Trump posted the most unhinged threat against Iran on Easter Sunday that the street called, and I'm quoting directly here, the most unhinged geopolitical threat crypto markets have ever had to price in. And our magic internet money stayed pretty much stable. In fact, it's had a little mini pump and gone above $72,000 a coin. And right now, around the same time, the man who's been buying Bitcoin at a pace that makes BlackRock look like a casual observer dropped a post that confirmed what a lot of us have been thinking. Everyone who has been waiting for the bottom, timing their buys around the halving, modeling our bear market lows, might be operating on a completely broken thesis at this point. And when you find out exactly how much Bitcoin Saylor is buying every single day, you're gonna ask yourself whether waiting for that bottom was actually worth it. Because if he's right about the cycle, the bottom might actually already be behind us.
Fucking shit.
Welcome back to Satoshi. Let me set the scene because the week that we just had was just genuinely out of control. Trump posted on Easter Sunday an expletive-filled message on Truth Social about hitting Iranian power plants and bridges. Markets opened Monday pricing worse cases. The S&P 500 fell roughly 10% in 2 days. Bonds got hit. Oil spiked above $105, but Bitcoin went down only about 1.5%. And as of today, when Trump reversed course, it's actually gone up above $72,000. For context, gold has been struggling through this entire conflict. So, yeah. The S&P is in correction territory. Bitcoin is back at $72,000 on ceasefire hopes. If you'd been offline for 2 weeks and someone showed you only the Bitcoin chart, you'd think it had been a quiet fortnight, and that's not at all what happened.
It never happened.
And the fact that Bitcoin processed all of that chaos and ended up where it started, well, that's basically the story.